Launching in Q1 2023, is our new super flexible energy storage solution that's part of our new smart grid range. Sanden New Energies, air-cooled whisper quiet 229 kWh LFP battery storage cabinet features intelligent battery monitoring, black start, income monitoring, and it's hot swappable. It's an integrated plug-and-play, super fast to install, expandable battery system with built-in inverter, smart cloud energy management, maintenance, monitoring, and comes with a 10-year warranty. It's IP55 rated with custom-designed fire protection, weighing in at 2,200 kilos. This system is Ethernet and Modbus TCP compatible and looks superb. Let's quickly take a look what's inside the grid shock lightning strike protected cabinet. Installed with 16 modules of 16S, 280 amp batteries, inverter, meter distribution, a power measurement and income calculation unit, with monitoring available onboard or via the cloud app. It features a 2-level battery pack and smart cooling system. With smart grid, use multiple cabinets in parallel with easy maintenance. Sanden's flexible cabinet supports both on and off grid, switching seamlessly between both. Our optimum system integration provides safe, reliable power. Sanden's new intelligent battery management system realizes the full potential and life cycle of the battery, prolonging battery life by 15% through online learning and model updates. IBMS monitors for abnormal conditions, giving unparalleled real-time access to system information. The cabinet's cooler is designed to maximize the life of the system by micro-managing heat dissipation from the battery and the built-in 100K, 3-phase, 4-wire inverter. The system analyzes thermal management based on simulations and adjusts as required. Our multifunctional super flexible cabinet supports multiple parallel machines with flexible 3-phase or single-phase loads. It's not just an energy storage system, it's a capable emergency power supply battery management tool with manual or automatic modes that are constantly monitored, adjusting power in real time according to load changes. Sanden's intelligent energy storage cloud platform brings real-time revenue analysis and daily, monthly, and yearly reporting. The app allows real-time fault detection, remote maintenance, fault analysis, and discharging recalibration. Thank you for watching this video on our SD100-200 Smart Grid Energy Storage Cabinet. For further information, email the UK office at info@soundonnewenergy.co.uk or our factory in China at info@soundnewenergy.com.